So today we are going to be calibrating this tabletop pH meter, and the model is PHS25. There are other pH meters like this, the same format, the same pattern, or it might be PH20, PHS26 or other model, or you can still follow the same procedure for calibrating your pH meter. So here you can see that we have the point for calibrating for 4.01 and your pH at 10.01, and on the left hand side you also have the point where you can calibrate for 6.86 and also for 7.00. So for you to calibrate, you have to have your solutions which you use to do your calibration, and for those solutions you need your buffer powders. So we are going to dissolve this pH 4.01 powder to be able to calibrate for 4.01, and also we are going to dissolve pH 6.86 powder in 250 milliliters solution water, for these two. So we are going to do that now. I'm going to get my glass for my 6.86. So I'm going to be using this glass to dissolve 250 milliliters of this. My powder is in the glass now. You make sure you empty the sachet completely into your glass as much as you can, and then I'm going to add distilled water. Make sure you use distilled water to dissolve. So I think I'm just going to let this sit for some time while I dissolve the 4.01. So here's my glass for the 4.01, and I'm going to empty the powder in the same glass. So the 4.0 is completely dissolved. I'm just going to add my water to get up to the 250 ml level. So for my 6.86, that's it. So now we are going to turn on our machine. So with the power button behind the machine, you just flip the switch and let it come on. So now it's on. So this is my probe. Now I'm going to remove my probe from the storage solution. So there's a solution in it. So I'm going to take out this probe first. I'm going to open the container for the storage probe solution and then gently pull the probe. Now the probe is out of the storage solution. So with my liquid in place, I'm just going to put my pH probe in the water. So this is still the 4.0 liquid. And then once you do that and look at your screen, it's yet to stabilize, so we'll wait for it to stabilize. So at the moment it's at 3.51. So there is where it's stabilized. So now we have to calibrate our 4.0 range and get this to 4.0. So with your pen tool, this looks like a screwdriver. Then you place here and then begin to tweak. You slightly and slowly twist to the left and also watch your screen so that you get it to 4.01. So the more you twist, the more the reading keeps increasing. And here we have 4.1, much more stable, right, than the 4.0. So we have calibrated this for 4.01. So next off, I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to rinse. I'm going to rinse the pH probe. And also dry it. Now we are ready to calibrate for 6.86. So I'm taking this solution out and I'm replacing with 6.86. So here we have 6.86. Now I'm going to dip my probe again, and once I dip my probe, then you look at the screen. So here you can see that the pH is stable at 6.31 and 6.32. So it keeps fluctuating between those two regions. So it means that we have to tweak again at this 6.86 level, or at this 6.86 points with our pen tool. You also have to twist to the right. And at this point, you have 6.86, between 6.86 and 6.87. So it's much stable at 6.86. So we have that as our reading. So now we've calibrated the pH meter for 4.01 and 6.86. So this is how to calibrate your pH meter. If you need this pH meter or any of the equipment or item or the powder, anything used in this demonstration, you can send us a message using the link in the description below, or visit us at www.simmyfranks.com.